Hi, I'm Professor Jaslene Bawa, a faculty in finance working at Flame University. I teach courses such as fixed income, financial management, accounting for managers, and coordinate the course of financial literacy for students at Flame. The course we are going to undertake at Flame Summer School is going to be startup valuation and the investor perspective. What does it entail for a student or a participant enrolling in this course? It entails how to conduct discounted cash flow valuation wherever an organization or an entrepreneurial venture is generating cash flows, relative valuation where you have not yet started generating cash flows but you have peers which are listed on the stock exchange. This will also entail that how do you do your pre and post money valuation for the moment when you're planning to diversify your stake or divest your stake. The third part is going to involve industry engagement where we are going to bring in prominent entrepreneurs and investors who have gone through investment divestment and have also negotiated their stakes in their own organization. How did they prepare their term sheets? From the investor perspective, we would be bringing in industry people from venture capitalists to angel investors who would also contribute to looking at what exactly is required by them and how do you pitch to these investors in the most appropriate fashion. So what will you get from this course? You will learn how to make discounted cash flow models, relative valuation, as well as an industry perspective of what the investors are looking or seeking out when they are going to invest in an entrepreneurial venture. The next part that you will also cover is when you go in for the divestment of your business, how much stake should be actually given to the probable or prospective investor. This will be a hands-on course where you learn to develop models, but not only make models on Excel, but also receive feedback from the industry as to what tweaks are going to take place in your model and valuation forecast, which will help you real-time business acumen.